Crazy Gamers Games. Today we're looking at another Custodes box for that can be used in the new Kill Team Elites. This is the Allarus Custodians. You're basically your Terminators. Um, Sad part with these guys is you can really only have one in a kill team, and you can have one other regular Custodian guard. So you get two whole people, which is super simple. You really don't have a lot of data sheets to worry about if you only have the two. But, you know, I'm looking forward to trying it. So I already have a couple of these guys painted up. So I'm gonna have a nice little list going on, one with the axe and then one with the guardian spear. So of course they're Misericordias. So there's what the little custodian, shield captain style there, the praetor. Oh, there's another shield captain. So, or just a regular custodian. Let's take a look at the inside of the box. Let's see what we get in here. Alright. We got a book. 3 50 mil bases, which I don't use. And we have some sprues. Now these are fantastic kits, just like the Warden kits. Way different. These were made in the UK, and it's, you know, that Primaris plastic, as we like to say, or anyways I do. So you got the options between spears and axes. You got your 3 guys. You got 1 guy, and the axes and spears on this sprue, and then you have the other 2 guys, you know, with their little robe thingies, some handles, and your Vexilla standard. It's all one piece. The custodian guard one, it's in 2 pieces. But you get a better look at that. So let's take a look at the book. Now what's nice about these, it has all the stat sheets for all the different individual ways you can build these guys out. In 40K they're in units of 3. You can make one a shield captain terminator, or the Vexillus praetor, a terminator. They're by themselves as individual units. So I believe you can have up to 10 of these in a unit, but it would be super expensive in points. This is, you know, shows you how to build Model A, and you can make him a shield captain with a spear or an axe, or just make him, or the next one you can make a shield captain or custodian B, and then, you know, oh, what I didn't show you on the sprues, they got these little grenade launchers. So they have the little grenade launcher right there. So they have the axe, or the bolter that's on the axe or the spear, plus they have this little, I believe it's Assault D3, we'll look in a minute, grenade launcher. So that's pretty cool. So, you know, then you got, this is your, either your shield captain or your regular custodian, and then your last one you can build is either your Vexillus praetor or your 3rd custodian for your group. You know, these fit together really well. And then here's a example with the praetor, and then, you know, the axe or the spear choice. But if you look here, on the regular custodians, they got a Baltus grenade launcher, a 12-inch range, Assault D3, Strength 4, AP -3, 1 damage. But then you also can use the shooting from the Guardian Spear that's still an axe, which is, you know, rapid fire 1. So it's, you know, it's an option. It's not a pistol, so you still have to get pretty close, but it's nice before, you know, before a charge at 40K. I'm not sure how useful it would be in Kill Team Elites, though. You really, with Custodes, you only have, especially with one of these, you only have the 2 models, and you're going to want to get in combat with 4 attacks, you know, strength on the axe, strength +3, -2 AP, D3 damage. You're going to want to get in there and attack, you know, in close combat hanging around just to shoot them, I don't think that's going to be effective. You know, maybe, yeah, I'm not, without, you know, with the regular custodian guards with the storm shield and sentinel blade, you get at least you get a pistol on the sword, and that would be more helpful in combat. But you know, maybe you get shooting on first turn, but you're probably not going to get the 12-inch um, grenade launcher unless you them in Terminator style. So I'm gonna have to give these a try in Kill Team Elites. So basically, I would get one of these Terminators and one regular guard, and that would be my whole team. I would probably make the Custodian a combat specialist and take a guard with a storm shield and sentinel blade and make him my leader. And hopefully I survive. Possibly a zealot, because I could see myself charging and killing and charging and killing. So, but even if with the +1 strength for the zealot, it would give me 6, and with an axe it would put me at 9. I don't think I really need that, so I think the combat specialist for just 5 attacks flat out, plus the Misericordia, so 6 attacks flat out. But that's going to do it. Here's the other stat sheets for the Shield Captain for the 40k stat sheets. I'm going to go into more depth of the elite rules for the Custodes in the next video about these for the kill team. But that's going to do it for this video. For Crazy Gamers Games, I'm the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.